Dear students, welcome to our class on JRF, SRF, Net 2022, updated general knowledge, lecture number 5. So in today's class, we try to understand from fish production figures onwards. Slowly we try to understand. Number 1, fish production in India. Now, for the year 2019-20 only these figures are available. There are two categories of fishes, inland and marine. Inland and marine. As far as inland fish is concerned, 1.04 crore tons. 1.04 crore tons. I repeat once again, 1.04 crore tons of inland fish are there. Marine fish are 38 lakh tons. 38 lakh tons. Of course, totally if you see from different sources, okay, it's not only inland but also marine and from other sources, So what we call it as 1.41 crore tons of fish are produced in India. 1.41 crores. So this is the figure. Now let us see with reference to rainfall scenario and management of natural disasters. Rainfall scenario and management of natural disasters. See, actually this bit possibility of bits are there. What is winter season? What is summer pre-monsoon season? What is monsoon season? What is post-monsoon season? Sometimes very simple bit, but still these are asked. What is winter season? January and February are winter season. March, April, May are pre-monsoon season. June, July, August, September are monsoon season. Monsoon season means southwest monsoon season. Post-monsoon season, October, November, December. Post-monsoon means after the southwest monsoon, we get northeast monsoon. That's what we call it as the post-monsoon for several reasons. But one of the most important reasons for this is northeast monsoon enters India from Nellore district of coastal Andhra Pradesh. Then it spreads to Tamil Nadu, okay, parts of Karnataka. That's why in broad we call it as the post-monsoon, October, November, December, these 3 months. What is winter season? January, February. What is pre-monsoon? March, April, May. What is monsoon season? June, July, August, September. What is post-monsoon? October, November, December. Any bit may come, okay. Winter season ranges from, okay, spreads from, so on, so on, so. That's why I was interested to share with you as far as, okay, performance of southwest monsoon. There are two monsoons, southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon. So southwest monsoon is the grand period of rainfall. Approximately 85% of 80 to 85% of the total rains we get from southwest monsoon. So see, as far as India Meteorological Department is concerned, okay, what are the ranges? How many meteorological subdivisions are there? This is very interesting thing. Up to 2001, the meteorological divisions were 35. Okay, from 35 meteorological divisions, the performance of monsoon was estimated. Now, after 2002 onwards, from 2002 onwards, it is 36. So, 36, okay, subdivisions are taken into consideration with reference to the performance of southwest monsoon is concerned. Now, the total statistical figures are taken from 36 meteorological subdivisions. Now, there are 4 ranges. What are the 4 ranges with respect to performance of monsoon? We always call large excess. What is meant by large excess monsoon? Plus 60 or more of LPA, long period average. Long period. Plus 60 or more. We call it as the large excess. Excess, let us see what is excess. Between plus 20% to plus 59%. Plus 20% to plus 59%. Normal. What is normal? Between plus 19 to minus 19. That's what we call it as the normal. What is deficient? Deficient is between minus 20 and minus 59. What is large deficit? Minus 60% to minus 99%. We call it as a large deficit. Now, see, very interesting bits. Most likely to appear is conversion factors between important primary and secondary agriculture commodities. Once again, for your academics, I would like to say conversion factors. Say for example, paddy to rice, groundnut, kernel to oil, like that, at least 2 bits would come in the 8 to 10 bits that I am going to discuss with you. Number 1 bit, conversion factors. That's what? Very interesting. Rice, cleaned rice production. How much rice we get, cleaned rice from paddy. That means husked paddy. Okay, husked paddy. Well, how much rice? 2/3. 2/3. That means for every 100 kgs of paddy, we get 63.33 kgs of rice. We get it. So when we go for milling of 100 kgs of paddy, paddy means grains with grains. Okay, paddy grains. Now how much rice we get it? 66.3. So that means 2/3 rice we get it. Second thing, cotton. With reference to cotton, there are 3 figures. Just cotton, you call it as cotton. 1/3 of kapas production. Cotton is 1/3 of kapas production. Cotton lint production, lint, lint. Cotton lint production, 2/3 of kapas production. 2/3 of kapas production. Cotton seed production. Cotton seed. Okay, very interesting. 2 times of cotton lint production. Okay, once again, for your academic interest, I would like to share with you both with reference to paddy and cotton. Rice clean production. Rice clean production, 2/3 of paddy production. Good. Cotton, 1/3 of kapas production. Cotton we get 1/3 of kapas production. Cotton lint production, 2/3 of kapas production. Cotton seed production, 2 times of cotton lint production. Now let us see with reference to jute. 100 yards of Hessian, we call it Hessian, Hessian. Okay, 100 yards. What is it? 54. This bit had appeared at least twice in the last 10 years. 100 yards of Hessian is equal to 54 lbs of raw jute. From raw jute of 54 gauges, we get 100 yards of Hessian. This bit had appeared twice in the last 10 years. This is an interesting thing, may appear either directly or indirectly. Now let us see with reference to groundnut. Now, kernel to nuts in shell. Kernel to nuts in shell, 70%. Oil to nuts in shell. Oil to nuts in shell. Okay, it is 27%. Oil to kernels crushed. When we crush the kernels, it is 40%. Cake to kernels crushed is 60%. Please note that in every oil seed, when we get the oil, whether it is 40% or 27% or whatever it may be, the remaining is cake. So you can blindly say that oil percentage is 40, cake is 60. So once again, for your academic interest, I would like to read groundnut, kernel to nuts in shell. Kernel to nuts in shell. Okay, 70%. Oil to nuts in shell, 27%. Oil to kernels crushed, 40%. Cake to kernels crushed, it is 60%. Now, with reference to castor seed, if you take the castor seed, what happens? Oil to seeds crushed. When we crush the seeds of castor, how much oil we get? 37. In case of groundnut is 40%, 3% less here. And cake to seeds crushed, what is remaining? 100 minus 37 is 63%. Cake we get 63%. Cake we get 37% oil we get. Groundnut, when we crush the kernels, we get 40% oil, 60% cake we get. Now let us see with reference to cotton seed. Now, oil to seeds crushed. When we crush the seeds of cotton, how much oil we get? 1/4 to 1/8. 14 to 18% oil only we get. Cake to seeds crushed, 100 minus either 14 or 18. 82 to 86, somewhere 82 to 86%. Cake, which cake? Cotton cake we get it. Now let us see with reference to coconut. Now, copra to nuts. Nuts are there. How much copra we get? 1 ton of copra is equal to 1 ton you wanted copra, 6,773. 6773 nuts you should do it. Oil to copra. How much oil is there in the copra? It is a whooping unimaginable figure. 62% of oil is there in coconut copra. How much oil is it? 62. Now, see, cake to copra, 100 minus 62, 38%. So, once again, for your academic interest, as far as coconut is concerned, copra to nuts. 1 ton of copra is equal to 6,773 nuts. Oil to copra crushed. When you crush copra, how much oil you get? A whooping 62%, remaining 38% is cake. Now let us see with reference to neem seed. Neem seeds, just you know it, we always say in the theory class, 50%, 50% oil, 50% cake. Now exact figures are oil to kernels crushed. Oil to kernels, when we crush the kernels of neem, 45 to 50% we get it. Now, cake to kernels, how much cake we get? 50 to 55. That's what, in general, 50% oil, 50% cake we get. But exact figures you wanted, oil to kernel crushed, 45 to 50%, cake to kernels crushed, 50 to 55%. Now, very interesting with reference to sugar. Every day we use sugar. So, very interesting figures are there. Gur cane crushed. 11.2 to 11.5%. Gur sugar we get. Gur cane crushed 11.2 to 11.5. Crystal sugar from gur refined. Crystal sugar, how much crystal sugar we get? 62.5%. Crystal sugar from cane crushed. From cane. Crystal sugar from canes that are crushed. 10.20% average. Khandasari sugar 46%. Molasses from cane crushed 4 to 4.5% molasses only we get from the cane crushed. Cane trash, TRESS, cane trash from cane harvested 8 to 12%. 8 to 2. Once again I would like to read from the bottom to up. Cane trash from cane harvested 8 to 12%. Trash we get it. Molasses from cane crushed. Molasses 4 to 4.5%. Khandasari sugar, whether it is sulfur or non-sulfur, it is 46%. Crystal sugar from cane crushed 10.2%. Crystal sugar from gur refined 62.5%. Gur cane crushed 11.2 to 11.5%. Sugar we get it. With reference to lac, 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 possible bit is seed lac. What is seed lac? 66% of stick lac. Seed lac is 66% of stick lac. Now, 57.4% of stick lac is shell lac. Shell lac. SHEL, shell lac. How much is it? 57.4% stick lac is shell lac. Now, with reference to cashew nuts, we use mostly cashew in the medicines as far as table purpose is concerned. Very interesting figure. Cashew kernel. How much cashew kernel we get from cashew, raw cashew? Now, 25. Just 25. Remaining 75% is other material. Now, most likely in any exam, seed rate is asked in general. Seed rate, different seasons, different varieties and hybrids are there. However, from Indian standard seed rate is concerned, in certain questions you are supposed to assume certain cases. So, in such cases, these figures are useful. That's why I am just sharing with you. Starting from paddy, seed rate I will tell you. General, common, figures only. These are all the common figures, you can take them as a standard, most standard, because these are from the Government of India statistics. Why I am telling once again is that in certain calculations, you are expected to assume, seed rate, presume otherwise, assume or presume, then you have to go for calculation. There, rice, general variety rice is 25 to 40 kg per hectare. All figures that I am going to give are kg per hectare. Paddy 25 to 40 kg, 25 to 40 kg per hectare, general variety. As far as hybrid is concerned, 12 to 15, 1, 2 to 1, 5. But as far as paddy grown under system of rice intensification, SRI, system of rice intensification is concerned, just 5 kg is enough. 5 kg is enough. Hybrid rice, 5 kg of hybrid rice is enough. Okay, now let us see wheat and barley, just a round figure, 100 kg per hectare. Wheat and barley, 100 kg per hectare. Paddy, general, 25 to 40 kg per hectare. If it is hybrid, 12 to 15 kg per hectare. If it is Sri hybrid, 5 kg per hectare. Now let us see sorghum. There are two types. Okay, sorghum, grain kharif, grain rabi. Grain kharif and grain rabi almost same, but rabi we go for slightly less. Grain kharif 10 kgs, grain rabi 8 to 10 kgs. As far as hybrid jowar is concerned, 7.5 kg per hectare we go for it. Maize, normal field corn, just normal field corn, 20 kg per hectare. Just this hybrid also 20 kg per hectare. Please note that where the seed cost is more, there we should go for exact in between within the row spacing, so that you are saving a lot of money. So maize, normal field corn 20. If it is for fodder, it is 30 to 40 kgs. Hybrid 20 kgs. Now, so these are the figures that I would like to share with you with reference to seed rate. Then we continue in our next class. Thanking you very much for your very patient here.